this video I want to share with you how I intend to accomplish my financial goal and other personal goals for 2023. If you're going into the new year, you probably have some things that you want to accomplish in the new year. You have some resolutions that you want to look back at the end of 2023 and want to look back and say, you know what, I am proud that I accomplished these things. Now there are goals that I've set for myself, and I want to share with you how I intend to accomplish them. And maybe there's something, one or two things that you can pick from my method that you can apply to yours as well. Now, I'm going to do this in 4 simple steps. And the first one is to set very clear targets and goals. Now, they say that anything that gets measured gets done. If you have the desire to go somewhere, but you don't know exactly where that place is, it's going to be quite difficult to pick a route to get there. Now, I put out a tweet at the end of 2022 of the things that I want to accomplish in 2023. I'll put that on the screen right here. One of those goals is a financial goal. Another is a goal for my YouTube channel. The next one is to have a permanent base somewhere where I can travel to and consistently from. And the next one is to travel with my mom, to have my mom see the world with me, just the way I'm seeing it right now. So it's very important that if you want to accomplish any goal, you have very clear targets of what you want to accomplish. I see a lot of people have dreams and aspirations, but everything is all aspirational, lives right here in their head. But once you put that thing on paper, once you write it down and you look at it every single day, it becomes real. Then your brain is going to find out ways through which you can accomplish those things. So the first thing you want to do is to set out very clear targets for yourself. You can write it down in a notepad, you can write it down on a vision board, on a whiteboard. Look at it every day. There's something I do that I write down my goals on a sheet of paper. I tear that sheet of paper, I fold it very neatly, and I put it in my wallet, so that every single time, anywhere that I'm at in the world, I know my wallet is on me. And if I need to put myself back on track, all I have to do is open my wallet, read out my goals, and set me back on track. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have very clear targets, very clear goals written down, so that you can look at them every day and stay on course. Now, the next step is to set your goals as big as possible. A lot of people feel like if you want to accomplish something, you should set those goals within your limits. No, when you want to accomplish anything, you have to set your goals big enough to stretch the limit of what you think is possible. There's this principle made popular by Grant Cardone. It's called the 10x principle. And that is a principle that only takes the goal that you're trying to accomplish and make it 10 times bigger. The goal is not to 10x the outcome, but to set that goal big enough that even if you fall short of 10x, you probably land around 5x, and that is still 5 times bigger than what you could have achieved initially. Now, you'll be surprised to know that the same effort that you put into achieving something this big is the same effort that you will put into achieving something this big. All you have to do is change your mindset and believe in your ability and the confidence to accomplish that thing. They say aim for the moon, and if you fall short, you lag amongst the stars. So set your goals really big that if you fall short, then you still have a big enough goal that you can be happy about. Now, the next step is to eliminate all distractions. Distractions are the biggest reason why a lot of people do not accomplish anything. I made an Instagram post on New Year's Eve where I just reflected on the things that I've done in 2022 that I want to be better at in 2023. And I mentioned that one of the reasons why I've not been able to accomplish a lot of the goals I set for myself in 2022 was because I was distracted a lot. And that happens a lot when I put myself in situations that makes me feel comfortable, situations that make me want to set my eyes off the goal and take my foot off the pedal. And one of the ways through which I get back on track, that I get focused, is to remove myself from anything and anyone. And sometimes that means even your friends and family. You may not see them for the longest period of time, but if you take that time to focus and to really set your sights on accomplishing the goals that you set for yourself, you just look back over a period of time and you realize that you've done so much. Example of how I'm planning to do this is by isolating myself in this beautiful country of Albania for the next couple of months. I know that here I do not have any friends, I don't have any family, and nobody's inviting me out for drinks. I'm not going out to have fun, to get drunk, and to do any of these things. So I can just be in my apartment all day, or even for weeks, even if I wanted to, and get shit done. And that is what you need to do as you go into the new year. You need to remove yourself from all distractions. You need to find situations or conditions that makes you perform at your optimum level. And that is how you accomplish any goal you set for yourself in 2023. And finally, how to accomplish your goal in 2023 is to just do the work. I see a lot of gurus on YouTube and Twitter talking talking about waking up at 4:30 a.m., journaling, meditating, drinking coffee, doing push-ups and all of these things from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m., then they get started with their work at 8 a.m. I think that's a load of bull. I think nothing beats doing the work. It doesn't matter what time of the day you wake up, even if you wake up at 10 a.m. As long as you can commit yourself to doing 5 to 8 hours of deep work every day, solid work, focus on accomplishing your goals, focus on the little things that amount to the big things and accomplishing your goals, I think that is all you need. A lot of people trick themselves into doing these things like journaling and meditating. And what this does to your brain is to make you feel like you've accomplished something when you really haven't accomplished anything. So get up in the morning, get your computer or whatever it is you work with, isolate yourself, put on your noise cancelling headphones and do work for the next 5 hours. Deep work, solid work that you can look back at the end of the day and see that you've really accomplished something. All this journaling, meditation, drinking coffee, that is not going to help you accomplish anything. Doing the work is going to help you accomplish so much. I hope to look back on this video at the end of 2023 and see that I've accomplished a lot of my goals by putting these things into action. And if you think this is going to help you, I invite you to follow along with me on this journey, put these things into use. And if you have any other tricks and strategies that you want to use in 2023, drop them down in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that right now. My name is Daniel and I will see you in the next video.